Affiliate marketing doesn't necessarily require being an influencer. While influencers have large followings, you can engage in affiliate marketing with a different approach. Focus on creating valuable content around a niche or product category, such as blog posts, reviews, or tutorials. Optimize this content for search engines to attract organic traffic. Join relevant forums, groups, or online communities where your target audience congregates, and share your insights along with affiliate links when appropriate. Utilize social media platforms strategically, even if you don't have a massive following, by using relevant hashtags and participating in niche discussions. Collaborate with other content creators or affiliate marketers for cross-promotion. Paid advertising can also be employed to reach a broader audience. The key is to provide genuine value and information, establishing trust with your audience over time. While influencers leverage their personal brand, you can succeed in affiliate marketing by focusing on niche expertise and thoughtful content creation without necessarily being a traditional influencer. Affiliate marketing without being an influencer entails adopting a more niche-focused and informative approach. Instead of relying on personal popularity, concentrate on becoming a subject matter expert in a specific niche that aligns with your interests. Create content that genuinely adds value, such as insightful blog posts, videos, or reviews centered around your niche. Prioritize search engine optimization to attract organic traffic, and be transparent about your affiliate relationships to build trust with your audience. Rather than self-promotion, focus on solving problems within your niche and recommending relevant affiliate products as solutions. Collaborate with micro-influencers or bloggers in your niche, and consider building an email list to share affiliate recommendations directly. Engage in niche communities, offer valuable advice, and use targeted advertising to reach a specific audience. With patience and a commitment to providing genuine value, you can succeed in affiliate marketing without needing the traditional influencer status.